Hello everyone, I'm Ravi Hemdani and I represent Siemens. Before we speak about the topic for today, which is creating innovation through learning, let's talk about the word innovation. Whenever you talk about innovation, one more common word that comes into our mind is creativity. Now, what's the difference between creativity and innovation? A lot of people have different definitions to it. To me, creativity is creation or generation of useful ideas. On the other hand, innovation is about successful implementation of these creative ideas. So now the question is, how do you drive innovation and what is the role that learning has to play in an organization to drive innovation? So before we talk about what learning can do, let's understand what are the factors that can drive innovation in an organization. The first and the foremost is the organization itself. What is the kind of motivation and encouragement does the organization provide to its employees to innovate, to generate new ideas? Do the employee feel safe to express themselves? Do the employee feel psychological safety at workplace? Do we have a culture of speak up? Does organization has policies that promote innovation? Does organization creates practices that generates innovation? The culture of any organization is driven by the language that the leaders speak. So the next factor for driving innovation is leadership itself. The question is, do our leaders offer freedom for employees to come up with new ideas? Do our leaders promote new ideas in the organization? Do the leaders give stretch goals to employees? Are the leaders creating agile teams? The third factor is infrastructure. Various organizations are moving towards open offices. Of course, this is a story before pandemic, but we all will get there one day. So moving from old blocked cabins to open offices, which drive the culture of innovation. There are innovation labs that organizations are setting up. In this virtual world, there are various innovative tools that the teams are using to ideate and brainstorm. So, do we have the right infrastructure? And last but not the least, the people itself. Are people trained on various skills, for example, critical thinking, lateral thinking, design thinking? Do they understand what are the different tools that can be used to generate new ideas? Learning plays a big role in driving innovation across all these four factors in the organization. Learning can make people comfortable on usage of technology. Learning can help bring outside in perspective. From a leadership perspective, learning can help develop leadership capabilities. Train leaders on new age leadership. What are the skills required to manage the new normal? What are the skills required to manage the next gen workforce? The third factor being infrastructure and ecosystem. Learning again plays a big role there. Learning team can include a lot of innovative practices in the way people learn in the organization. We can include tacit learning, we can include on-the-job learning, we can include usage of various digital tools inside the training program. And last but not the least, people. So when we talk about people, learning again can give and train people on various tools like critical thinking, design thinking, lateral thinking. Basically all future of skills, which will help people to get the right tools to come up with new ideas and innovate. Last but not the least, it is also important that the L&D function also evolves itself as an innovative function. A function where the business looks up to for various innovative ideas. A function where the business looks up to for usage of new age technologies in learning. So the question that you must ask yourself in learning is, how are you creating disruption in the way people learn in your organization? Are you using various tools? Are you using various technologies like AR, VR, AI, etc.? Are you personalizing training for your people? So these are the questions that you must ask yourself as a L&D individual, as a learning individual. And that will give you new perspectives. Thank you so much for listening to me. Have a wonderful day ahead.